Hey, welcome to the channel again. And today we're discussing a DIY emergency kit for your kayak built out of a 3600 Fish Lab box and some items I had around the house. So stay tuned and we'll be right back.
Pulled up, top down in the two-seater. She hopped in, drunk smile, said it's good to see you. What you thinking about skipping downtown tonight? Race a coupe back home, grab the four-wheel drive, kicking Church Rock Road up to a tree line. Stop and look at her and say, you ready? Better hold on tight. Let me show you my countryside.
All right, we're back. So just like I said, we took a 3600 Fish Lab box that I ordered from a tournament that I entered last year, I believe. Yeah, last year. And I won big fish in it and got $500 worth of free tackle. So this is some of the stuff I bought. So what we're going to discuss is using the 3600 Fish Lab box for a DIY emergency kit for your kayak. You always need an emergency kit on your kayak. 2 reasons or 3 reasons, 4 reasons is first aid. I carry band-aids, peroxide, stuff like that in here. Benadryl, itch cream. Another thing I carry is an emergency whistle. I've got one in my box and one on my PFD. And an emergency light, just for if you're out stranded somewhere, at least you have a light to work with. So what we're going to do is going to go through the box and kind of see what I've got in here. As far as my first aid stuff, band-aids of different sizes, some gauze pads, just different band-aids of different sizes. So just easy to kind of fold up there and put in the box. Next thing is hydrogen peroxide. This is a spray bottle, but you can buy little bottles and just cap them off. But enough to spray in there for a cut, abrasions if you fall on some rocks or something, and get all the goop washed out. I also carry a Benadryl itch relief stick in case you get stung by some bees or some hornets, or getting some poison ivy, poison oak. You can have something to rub on it to keep the itch down so you don't scratch it. Just like I said, emergency whistle and a little, this is a 360 light, but just enough light that you can kind of hang up in a tree if you had to. If you're stranded overnight, at least you have some light to deal with. Just a, I carry a fold out knife in there, so just stay secure so you don't reach in there and cut yourself, things like that. But just a knife, help cut limbs or rope or whatever you need to cut. I run electronics on my kayak, so in my emergency kit, I carry extra fuses of different amperages, just in case I blow a fuse for my electronics or battery stuff. I carry a 10mm ratchet. That's just for my trolling motor bolt on my prop in case I need to get it off. Just a little Phillips screwdriver. I don't even think they make flathead screws anymore hardly. So Phillips head screwdriver and just some small wrenches that go to my power box in case I have to. But overall, that's what I've got in my emergency box. You can make up your emergency box however you want it. I know people buy them kayak, I would say kayak first aid kits that come in like a little zipper pack, waterproof. But I throw this right here in my front hatch of my kayak, in my new Canoe F12 fits perfectly. The lid comes down on it, secures it, so I don't have to worry about if I flip my kayak that's falling out. I can flip it right back over and have things. Oh yeah, and one more thing, a lighter. During the winter months especially, is I'll throw a lighter in there as well, and that way if you get wet during the winter time, it's cold. You can go to shore, build your little fire, get warm, keep you from getting hypothermia, dry out some clothes, things like that. But overall, it's just a DIY kayak emergency kit. It's a must have one of these to stay on your kayak at all times. Even if you don't use it, you run upon other people that might need a band-aid or something. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you this. Here in South Georgia, the sun is brutal and the bugs are brutal. So I use Avon. This is Skin So Soft. It's called Bug Guard Plus. You can buy it on Amazon. Comes in a little 4-ounce bottle, but this stuff is good. It doesn't have a potency of, kind of makes you smell good, made by Avon, but it keeps the mosquitoes, the gnats. Spray it around your ankles, because there are chiggers or what we call red bugs here in Georgia. Keeps them from falling up your pants leg if you get out in the brush and have to walk around for anything. But just make sure you like this video, you subscribe to the channel, and then once again, just hit that notification bell down below. That lets you know that we've uploaded a new video. Also, join myself and Mike from Vineyard Outdoors every other Thursday for May Contain Fishing podcast, where we talk about anything to deal with fishing. So that's every Thursday. It airs on both our YouTube channels, on my Facebook page, group, and Twitch. So thank you for watching, and fish on.
Let me show you my countryside through these old headlights. We can take